Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Listen and Learn English. We are really happy you are here with us today.
Hello, hello. Welcome, friends. Thank you for spending a little part of your day with us.
I'm Emma,
And I'm Tom.
and this is a calm place, a friendly place, a place where you can relax and learn English naturally.
Yes. No stress, no exams, just real conversation. Like two friends talking.
Before we begin, just a small, polite request.
If you enjoy this episode, please like it.
Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet.
And maybe leave a comment, even a short one.
It really helps us, and it helps this channel grow.
All right. Emma, how are you feeling today?
I feel calm, a little tired, but happy.
That sounds very honest.
Yes. How about you, Tom?
I feel good, relaxed, and a little curious.
Curious?
Yes, because today's topic is something many people feel, but don't always talk about.
That's true.
Today's episode is called Lost in a New City.
Just hearing that makes my heart beat faster.
Mine too, because being lost is not only about streets,
Exactly. Sometimes you are lost in your mind.
sometimes in your feelings.
Sometimes in your life.
But today we start with a city.
A new city.
A place you don't know.
New streets.
New sounds.
New people.
And a phone that suddenly has no internet.
Yes, that is the worst part.
Yes. That moment when your phone says no signal.
And you say, oh no.
So, let's begin our story.
Imagine this.
You arrive in a new city
It could be for work
or study.
or travel.
You have a small bag.
Maybe a backpack.
You feel excited.
But also nervous.
The air feels different.
The buildings look taller.
The streets feel busier.
People are walking fast.
And everyone looks like they know where they're going.
Except you.
Yes, except you.
You look at your phone.
You look at the map,
You turn left,
then right,
then left again.
and suddenly,
Nothing looks familiar.
your hotel is not there.
The cafe you saw is gone.
Even the street name feels strange.
Your heart starts to beat faster.
Your hands feel a little cold.
And your mind starts asking questions.
Did I take the wrong street?
Am I far from my place?
What if I can't find my way back?
That feeling, it's very human
Very normal.
and very scary.
Emma, do you remember the first time you were lost in a city?
Yeah, yes, I remember it very clearly.
Really?
Yes, I was young and very confident.
That sounds dangerous already.
Yes, I thought, I don't need help.
Ah, the famous words.
I arrived in a big city for the first time.
Big city?
Very big. Many buses, many streets.
Many people in a hurry?
Exactly.
So what happened?
I left the train station.
Okay.
I saw a sign.
Signs are good.
I thought it was the right sign.
Thought is the key word.
Yes, I followed it.
Confidently?
Very confidently.
Smiles.
After 10 minutes, I realized something.
Let me guess.
I was completely lost.
Laughs quietly. Classic.
I stood there in the middle of the street.
What did you do?
I looked left.
Okay.
I looked right.
Still lost.
I looked at people.
They didn't look lost.
No, they looked busy.
Busy people are not helpful. At least they don't look helpful.
Yes, I felt very small.
That feeling, like everyone belongs there except you.
Exactly.
That's a powerful feeling.
Yes, and many English learners feel this too,
Not only in cities,
but in conversations,
at work,
at school.
in a new country.
You hear people speak fast,
You don't catch every word.
and you think, am I lost?
That's why this topic matters.
Yes, because being lost is part of learning.
And part of growing. Let me share my story.
Please do.
I was in a new city once.
You sound serious already.
I was very serious. What happened? I arrived late at night.
Oh, that's worse.
Yes, dark streets,
Few people
cold air.
and silence.
I checked my phone.
Please tell me it worked.
It worked. For 2 seconds. Then it died.
No battery.
No battery.
That is a nightmare.
Yes, I stood there with my dead phone.
What did you feel?
Honestly,
Yes.
I felt stupid. I thought, why didn't I charge my phone?
We all think that.
I also felt afraid
That's very honest.
and a little embarrassed.
Embarrassed to ask for help?
Exactly.
That's interesting
Why?
because many people think asking for help is weak.
But it's not.
It's actually brave.
Yes,
But in that moment,
you don't feel brave.
you feel exposed,
Like everyone can see you are lost.
even if they can't.
Yes,
So what did you do?
I walked.
Just walked?
Yes, I thought maybe I will recognize something.
Did you?
No. I walked more.
Still nothing.
Still nothing.
So?
I stopped.
That's important.
Yes, I stopped walking.
Sometimes stopping helps.
I took a deep breath.
Good.
I looked around calmly.
And
I saw a small shop.
a light in the darkness.
Exactly.
That sounds like a movie.
It felt like one.
Did you go inside?
Yes,
And
I asked for help.
that moment, that's a big moment.
Yes, and that's where learning begins.
Not just language learning.
Life learning.
Because when you ask for help,
You connect with people.
you stop being alone.
You stop being lost.
At least a little. All right, let's stay here for a moment.
Yes, let's slow down.
Because sometimes being lost doesn't end quickly.
Sometimes you find the street, but you still feel lost inside.
That quiet feeling
That empty feeling.
when the city's loud, but you feel alone.
I remember walking back that night.
After you got directions?
Yes, I knew where to go.
But something felt heavy?
Exactly.
Why?
Because it was my first night.
In a new place.
No familiar faces.
No friendly voices.
No home feeling.
That moment is very real.
Very real.
Many people listening feel this.
Especially people who move.
New country,
New job.
new language.
New life.
Tom, what helped you in that moment?
Honestly,
Yes,
I talked to myself,
that sounds simple.
but it helped.
What did you say?
I said, it's okay to feel lost.
That's powerful.
I said, this is new, this is hard.
You didn't fight the feeling.
No, I accepted it.
That's an important lesson.
Yes,
When you fight fear,
it grows.
when you accept it,
It softens.
I remember sitting in a cafe once.
Alone?
Yes, very alone.
What did you do?
I ordered a coffee,
That's a good start.
I smiled at the waiter,
Another good start.
and I listened to people talk.
You didn't understand everything?
No, but I understood the feeling.
Life going on.
Yes.
That's when you realize something.
What?
You don't need to understand everything.
You just need to stay open.
Open to people,
Open to moments.
open to yourself,
So if you are listening now,
and you feel lost
in a city
in a language,
or in life,
please remember this.
being lost does not mean you are weak.
It means you are brave.
You left something familiar.
You stepped into something new.
That takes courage.
More courage than staying comfortable.
And learning English is the same.
Yes,
Some days you feel confident.
some days you feel confused.
Some days you forget simple words.
That's normal.
That's human.
Progress is not a straight line,
It's a path
with turns,
with stops
with moments of being lost.
and moments of clarity. Before we finish,
Let's take one calm breath together
in,
and out. Thank you for spending this time with us.
thank you for listening.
Thank you for learning with us.
If this episode made you feel calmer,
Or less alone,
please support Listen and Learn English.
like the episode
Subscribe to the channel.
and share it with someone who may need it,
You are doing better than you think,
even when you feel lost,
especially when you feel lost.
because that means you are moving forward.
See you in the next episode.
Take care, friends.
Bye bye.